Hi guys, it's me, Ellie, and today I'm going to make Pillsbury Pigs in a Blanket mini. You'll need Phillsbury Crescent and some hot dogs, a knife, a cutting board, and a baking tray with parchment paper. So first you need to preheat the oven to 375. You're going to unpackage the Pillsbury Crescent. So there's a little tab right here and you have to pull it all the way around. Now get a spoon and press it into the seam and then it will pop open. Now I'm going to cut the dough along the cutting line. Now I'm going to cut the hot dogs in half. Since it was hard for me to cut the dough without an extra line, my mom helped me cut the dough because I'm making mini hot dogs. Now I'm going to roll the dough around the hot dogs. Oopsies, we don't have any more sausages, so I'm just going to make a regular croissant. Now I'm going to organize them so they're evenly spread. Now I'm going to put them in the oven. I'm going to set the cook time to 12 minutes. I think it's done. I'm going to go check it out. Check it out. It's done. It looks so delicious. Try one. It's a little hot. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more fun. Bye!